Hi, welcome to this platform for Sensor Academy, either the YouTube channel or the Facebook page. If it is the first time on this particular platform, kindly hit on the subscribe button, follow this page, leave a comment, and share the video. In today's brief tutorial, we are going to consider mathematics paper 1, but under a junior secondary leaving examination focus, where we're going to use a 2023 grade 9 internal November exam. We're going to focus on the concepts of matrices, which is usually brought in section B. The question says, given that matrix M equals to the components are 4, 7, negative 2, A, states the order of matrix M. B, find 2M. First things first, it's important to understand that a matrix is a rectangular array of numbers, and a matrix has got an arrangement which is able to be comprised or categorically placed into two. There is an arrangement that can be done in rows and an arrangement that is done in columns. Giving an example, if we have A has, let's say, a matrix, and that we've got that is 1, and we've got 2, we've got that is a 5, and then we've got a 6. If at all they tell us to say find or state the order of matrix M, we're going to first state the formula. So I'm going to say order equals to the number of rows multiplied by the number of columns. So in this case, when you talk about the rows simply refers to the arrangement of numbers in the same line going the right. So if I have an arrangement like 1, I have a 4, I have that is a 9. This is a row. But if I have that is 1, that is a 4, I have a 9. This one is a column. So if I talk about the rows, we're talking about an arrangement in the same line going to the right, so which is 1 and then 2. So on the rows we say 2 and then multiply it by. On the columns here, we're going to find that this is an arrangement of numbers in the same line, which is going to be vertically placed. So 1 and 5 is a column. So I'm going to say 1 and then 2. So when we reach at that stage, we shouldn't multiply, as this shows the exact number of rows and columns separately. So this is what it means when they say state the order of a matrix. Now, considering the question that we currently have, it says state the order of matrix M. So we've got that is matrix M, which is equal to a 4, 7, as well as negative 2. So on A here, we're going to say, when we talk about order, this is going to be row multiplied by columns. So on the rows, we're going to say, we've got this row 1, because this 4 is in a line where there would have been other numbers. Then we've got a 7, we've got negative 2. So we're going to have 3 multiplied by. On the columns, we only have one set of numbers that are in the same line. So I'm going to say 3 by 1. Having done that, it means we've answered A. And then we move on to B. B demands that we find 2A. When there is a number in front of a letter representing a matrix, it so much means that this number should multiply every component that is inside this matrix. But if there is a fraction, it simply means we're going to divide. So I'm going to write 2, then open brackets. When there is M, we're going to replace with the matrix as well as the components. And then lastly, we're going to ensure that we multiply. So I'm going to say 2 times 4, this one is going to give us 8. 2 times 7, this is 14. 2 times negative 2, this is negative 4. Having done that, it simply means we have answered the question as expected. I hope you find this video very much beneficial. Kindly tag others that may find this same video very much beneficial for an exam, revision, preparation, or build up in terms of the concepts that have been explained. Make sure that you share this video and you grab a paper to relate the same to other exam-relatable questions that have come in previous past papers. This is your tutor, Mr. Sensor from Sensor Academy's Competitions. Till in the next video for now. it's a very good buy. Stay focused.